These geese trying to get us. Go get it! Don't scare me like that. Sorry, I threw the whole chip. I get scared. We're on the lake today. Here, let me show you my boat. Whoa, 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 Goose. Whoa. That was perfect. Here, I threw him. Hurry. So. This is my boat. Here they come! Here, watch out. Move this top, please. This is my boat. He's gonna hiss at you guys. I'm not getting mad. Hey, how does it make you feel if I'm eating a chip? Looks like he wants to jump up here. Oh my gosh, tell him about the apple. The what? The apple and the duck. What about it? Okay, I threw an apple. What? Oh my gosh! I threw an apple and there was a duck way up there. I didn't mean to, and I hit the head of the duck. Look at all those geese over there by that boat. I know, I want geese like that. They should come over here. I almost hit your dad. Okay. Well. Come here. Oh my God! Holy crap, and then there's those two and all of those. They're all coming around here. Hey, look, that one's biting off that one. Hey, guys. All right, well, this is Kit Kat and Riri at the lake.